want to tell everybody what you're doing?
So these boards are going to go up here, and we're going to clip them onto the mini frame, and then we're going to bolt the new panels to this so that we can take them off when we want to. Alright, boat's a mess. Been working hard today. So got the two new Victron charge controllers. Got some shut-offs, some disconnects, so that's good. So that is gonna go out and to the panels where I was in the kayak working on it, and yeah, got the wires ran from the charge controllers to the battery, so I'll be able to connect the battery again. Added another negative bus bar. Yeah, a lot of work today. Doing good. Kelly's outside, so we couldn't find these connectors at the store. We went to a couple stores, and so we're just kind of rigging something up. Get rid of this big box. I'm gonna have to cut it up. So yeah, like connectors like these. Is this what you did this?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. So
That would
this is temporary. We'll just cut them off and do them with when we have the good ones. But yep. I actually felt like they were gonna take up more room. Like the box made them seem bigger. I don't know. As far as shade, you know, like maybe we'll make a horseshoe shaped shade around it or something. Cool. Prop shaft is disconnected. Like I just have the dampener there and it's away. Should be a neutral one.